Congratulations, you're using the best self-study CPE site online, rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by thousands of our CPAs. My name is Tad Stevens, and as the director of CPEthink.com, I know you're busy. I'm going to be thorough and concise reviewing today's course. This video will be quick, and if you stick around, I'll give you a coupon to get some CPE on us just for watching. First, a quick intro video, and then we'll get to it. Today, I want to cover Auditing for Fraud, Course ID 1883 by Colton Christiansen. This is a 2-hour CPE credit course. It is for $17.95, 70% to pass. In every audit, the auditor is required to specifically assess the risk of material misstatement of the financial statements due to fraud. Auditing for Fraud is a course that examines the types of fraud considered by auditors when auditing financial statements, fraudulent financial reporting, and misappropriation of assets. This course describes the way auditors gather information to assess fraud risk in every audit and develop appropriate responses to identify fraud risk, after considering the effectiveness of management's anti-fraud programs and controls. The course focuses on the typical fraud techniques and highlights areas that are subject to greater risk of fraud. Once the auditor suspects fraud, it is their responsibility to gather additional evidence, often through inquiry. This course also describes the auditor's responsibility for making certain communications about suspected or detected fraud to senior management and the audit committee. The course was originally released in 2021. There's nothing else needed for this. The revision date, which is the release date in this case, because it's a new course, was September the 11th, 2021. It is an ASBA QAS course. It's text-based, it's technical, it's also an ASBA registry. It is considered an auditing fraud course, and it is in the auditing field of study, the NASBA auditing field of study. And the course learning objectives are, at the end of this course, students will be able to identify 3 types of fraud, identify the SAS that provides guidance to auditors in assessing the risk of fraud, recognize the 3 elements identified by the AICPA to prevent, deter, and detect fraud, recognize who is responsible for identifying and measuring fraud risks and taking steps to mitigate identified fraud risks, identify the procedures to address the risk of management overriding internal controls that are otherwise operating effectively, recognize the characteristics of different types of fraud. If you have a question, just click the chat icon in the lower right. Let us know. If you'd like to purchase this course, you can click the Add to Cart button right here. Or if you're searching for fraud courses, click the fraud link under the categories column, which is under the courses menu. And you can see this course is the 4th one down. You can click the Add to Cart icon right here as well. And then it'll appear up here in your shopping cart, or if you're under subscription, this will add it directly to your account. I hope you like this video. If you'd like more, tap or click subscribe and the bell. Leave a comment or a question and let us know what you think. We reply to all of them. Remember that promise I made at the beginning? How about free CPE just for watching? Go to cpethink.com/video3. That's cpethink.com/video3. Use the $15 one-time use coupon code that you see on that page. It's good for courses and unlimited subscriptions. That means over 100 CPE credit courses to choose from for free. See you in the next video.